Alright, so let's take a look at the Bento box itself, alright? It has the extra steam for you can release some steam in here in case they, for pressurize it. I like that it has the grips that automatically lock it in. And when you're ready to take your lunch with you, or your breakfast, or your dinner, it's very convenient to have this.
Hey guys, today we're going to talk about this 3-compartment lunchbox by Bento. So as soon as I unpackage this lunchbox by Bento, you're going to notice the 3 compartments that it has with the stainless steel liner. Okay, so it has 4 kid-friendly lock clips, and this makes it easy for your little hands, your children, to open and close the lunchbox. And these are the vents, so if your food is too hot, then all you have to do is just pop it up and let your food cool down to the right temperature. You open it, you can see that it has these stainless steel compartments, 3. So this allows you to put a variety of food in here. Main entree, vegetable, fruit, rice, beans, meat, whatever you want to put. And if you remove this, then you can add water, hot water in here to keep your food warm. It has a leak-proof silicone seal, and it's dishwasher safe and easy to clean, but do not use it in the microwave. It's portable, and I recommend that you wash the lids manually by hand so as to not ruin them. So here you have it, the 3-compartment lunchbox by Bento, stainless steel. Thank you for watching.